This is Census, delivering Middle East war news quickly. According to a report by Iran's Fars news agency, from now on, Syria, hotels in Beirut, Lebanon, and the international airport in Djibouti, Africa, have been declared legitimate targets for attack. Is it because there are US troops in those areas? This is Tehran. The headquarters of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Aerospace Force, located in Tehran, Iran, was bombed by the Israeli military. This is Tehran. There was a loud explosion in the Tehran area. The Israeli military mobilized more than 60 fighter jets to carry out airstrikes throughout Tehran and central Iran. They specifically targeted major missile facilities, including air defense system production sites and ballistic missile engine plants. The United States Central Command reiterated that over 2/3 of Iran's missile, drone, and naval production sites have been destroyed. Fighter jets are heard over Tehran. In Shiraz, Iran, the Israeli and US military struck the 7th Iranian Air Force tactical base. Near Shiraz International Airport, smoke was seen rising several times due to explosions. This is Neyshabur, Iran. Footage shows massive plumes of smoke rising as a result of the Israeli military's attack. This is Bandar Abbas. In the Bandar Abbas area, a US airstrike took place, and the Revolutionary Guard's position is burning. Meanwhile, a child is leisurely swinging on a swing. This is Mashhad, where the Iranian government building was destroyed in an airstrike. In Hamadan, Israel targeted the Iranian Revolutionary Guard ground forces, who suppressed protests. Meanwhile, Hezbollah continues to clash with the Israeli military. The Israeli military has advanced to a point about 7 kilometers from the border. In response, Hezbollah forces are resisting by using rockets, anti-tank missiles, and small arms. Hezbollah continues to fire rockets toward Israel, and countless rockets are falling. This is Erbil, Iraq. Pro-Iranian militias carried out a large-scale drone strike on Erbil, Iraq. This area is also where the US consulate is located. The Israeli military plans to deploy the 98th Division to Lebanon. If this happens, will there be 6 divisions deployed in southern Lebanon? Iran says it will only consider the US peace proposal if Israel and the US halt bombings and assassinations, refusing to negotiate until then. Currently, hardliners in Iran are strengthening their demands for nuclear weapons development. Some hardliners have insisted that the push for nuclear weapons development should continue after October 2024. With hardliners gaining power in Iran and the Iranian Revolutionary Guard controlling the country, do these demands seem to be growing stronger? NBC News reported that the head of the White House World Cup Task Force said Iran's national team is still expected at the tournament despite the conflict. Russia has supplied military equipment to Iran under the Military Technology Cooperation Agreement, but hasn't given satellite data. It was also noted that US bases in the Middle East are easily found. Japan plans to temporarily ease regulations on coal-fired power plants to address energy shortages from the Middle East war. The UN Security Council will hold a closed-door meeting on Iran Friday morning. If there are updates, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.